Welcome guys. So this video let's talk about the Weierstrass product inequality. So this inequality is it's not so famous, right? But it's still interesting. So let's say so what state that for any real numbers from 0 to 1 up to a1 up to an, and then we have these two, right? So 1 minus a1, 1 minus a2, 1 minus a3, product of 1 minus an greater or equal to 1 minus sn, which sn is the sum of weights. Okay, so right, so so before I start to prove, I still want to advertise my channel. So yeah, so this is my channel tag. So I'm Eric. If this is the first time you come to my channel, and then my channel is about teaching mathematics and physics from high school to graduate school. If you're interested about Algebra at college, and you can check my video list. Instead, if you just want to have some brain teaser or some interesting math question, then you can subscribe to my channel. I would upload a funny math question every 1 to 3 days, and I will solve them one by one and share with you guys. Click the notification button and subscribe button so that you will not miss my latest video. And leave a comment below that what you like me to do in the future. Okay, so sure. Okay, so let's see the proof. Okay, so maybe okay, so maybe we first focus on the first one. Okay, so let's say n equals to 2, right? We just have fun. So we have these. Right, obviously this is greater or equal to 1 minus a1 minus a2, right? Because these are all positive, right? So n equals to 2 for this guy is correct. So let's assume that n equals to k is correct. So we need to do let's do the mathematical induction, and then focus on n equals to k plus 1. So this is supposed. Okay, so we get, let's say we get this. K 1 minus a k plus 1, right? And by every k number is correct, right? So we get greater or equal to 1 minus. Oh, okay, so important thing is that this guy need to be positive, right? So you can write as 1 minus s, let's say k minus 1, which is k minus 1 is a1, a2, so I should be sk up to ak, and 1 minus ak plus 1. Okay, and then for this we use n equals to 2, so we get greater or equal to 1 minus sk minus ak plus 1, right? So this total can be as written as sk plus 1, which is just a1, a2. Okay, so now this is proof by the induction. Okay, now let's go to the second. Okay, so second, let's say n equals to 2, right? So we do the funny thing. We do the same thing. So let's say we have these two. So we get 1 plus a1 a2 plus a1 plus a2, right? Which is definitely greater than 1 plus a1 a2 plus a2, since that they are all positive. Okay, so let's do the mathematical induction and assume n equals to k is correct. So suppose n equals to k is good. Okay, now we see n equals to k plus 1. Okay, so let's say 1 plus a1, 1 plus a2, up to 1 plus ak, 1 plus ak plus 1, right? Since these are positive, right? So I can write as 1 plus sk, 1 plus ak plus 1. And it's easy to write down these two, right? Since we have n equals to 2, so it's greater or equal to 1 plus sk plus ak plus 1, which is these two contains sk plus 1. So sk plus 1 is just something from ai or I from 1 to k plus 1. Okay, so very easy that we just use mathematical induction to prove the Weierstrass product inequality. Okay, so let's see you guys in next videos.